Yeah, I'm supposed to be busy, and I am, but I got sidetracked with Facebook for a second, and I have to jump on my soapbox for a minute. Okay, hear me out. This is just a part of why I promote essential oils. Somebody posted a Johnson and Johnson product. Now, I don't know this one specifically, but said it's all natural and safe for your kids. If you look on the back of the Johnson and Johnson lavender bottle, it says fragrance in the ingredients. Just because you can read the word fragrance does not mean it's natural. Does not mean it comes from a natural source. Artificial fragrances are now being considered the new secondhand smoke. It is insane how many of products in our household contain this crap in it. You know how plastics now say BPA free? BPA is in the same family of chemicals with phthalates. And the government's gotten smart enough to take it out of our plastics that hold our foods, but yet it's still in our baby wash, our body wash, cosmetics, shampoos, air fresheners, candles. My God, the list is endless, and it's stunning. It's crazy. It's mind-numbing. Like, sometimes I wish that I could undo the crap that I've learned in trying to research this, and just go back, with my fingers in my ears to ignorance is bliss. Okay, so this is done by the National Resource Defense Council. 12 out of 14 air fresheners that were tested, and that includes ones that were advertised as all natural or unscented, contain phthalates. These chemicals are known to cause hormonal abnormalities, birth defects, reproductive problems. I'm on my soapbox, bear with me. So anything that's listed as fragrance, or if it doesn't say it's 100% essence of blah or essential oil of blah, then just because you can read fragrance doesn't mean it's not a chemical. The back of the J&J, the Johnson and Johnson lavender, has artificial lavender in it. And so we're soaking our children like in a warm bathtub where it opens up your pores. I'm getting a little off topic, but seriously, like, we run around and we scrub our floors so toddlers have a clean surface. God forbid, and that they get a little dirt in them. I mean, we don't want funky stuff on them, but not considering what is in the floor cleaner that we're cleaning with. Like, they are all over this, absorbing it into their skins. Air fresheners, all your pretty little smelling candles. Wow. And I do it too. And there's still some of this stuff in my house. It's a process. I am by no means perfect. But you should know that if it says it's all natural, just because it's marketed as that doesn't necessarily mean that it's 100% pure from God or Mother Nature or, from the earth product. I was raised in a time where, generally speaking, if you could read the ingredient, it was probably not too bad for you. So, therefore, I never thought twice about fragrance. Anywho, so this is NRDC. If you Google 12 out of 14 air fresheners, you can find this exactly. What are phthalates? Toxtown. Look this up. Look up Toxtown and what are phthalates. Locations where phthalates can be found. Drinking water. It's in our water tables. Like, I don't think our families intentionally poisoned our water supply, but seriously, we've been using all of these chemicals for so long that it's now in our drinking water. How can you be exposed? How does it affect my health? Like, and it even says right here, not actually known, being studied, but it's not good. It's not good to the extent that they've taken it out of our plastics, the containers that hold our food. We are not allowed to have this set of chemicals in anymore, but we can still inhale it, which is beyond me because your stomach actually has a chance of filtering things through your liver. Your brain is connected to your nose. Okay, not connected, but that's the quickest. Talkstown is put on by the National Library of Medicine, which is a .gov website. If you have any questions, I mean, that's the FDA and all of that too. That's a whole nother tangents. What are phthalates? A group of chemicals often used to soften and increase flexibility of plastic and vinyl. Okay, so that's where your BPA comes from. But the phthalates in that are the same family as that of artificial fragrances. I don't know if I said it. It's seriously be considered. Artificial fragrances are the new secondhand smoke. Like, generally speaking, we know that we're not supposed to smoke around our kids now. Not to say that I am a perfect person by any stretch of the imagination, but I have been over 2 weeks without a cigarette now. Just not saying I'm perfect, by God, no. But seriously, yeah, it's becoming more commonly aware now. So I just had to throw all of that out there because, I mean, look around your house. Look at your shampoo. Look at your body wash. It was in children's toys until here, I want to say in the last 10 years. And United States was like the last country in the entire freaking planet to get rid of it. When 9 out of 10 people on the earth are saying you've got gum on your butt, you might want to pay attention. I'm going to shut up now because I'm super busy, but I just had to throw that out there. Seriously, read your ingredients and do a little research. Even if you don't believe in all the hocus pocus crap of essential oils and medicinal use or natural solutions, emotional, any of that, put all that stuff aside, and there's still one stinking fact. They stink. Some of them better than others. So, why do we pollute our water tables and poison our children with artificial fragrances when we've got the natural stuff? And I'd be happy to put that natural stuff in your hands sometime next week. But feel free to ask questions or whatever. I did my public speaking project on this exact topic. And all of my college sources. I did not use doTERRA for any of this, okay? I used my Butler, community college, but college approved library database that's completely independent of doTERRA to get all of this information. So, fire away. I love you. I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. Mwah.